everyone, Pete Senior. So it means Fiesta of the Senior Santo Niño. So it means Fiesta. So we're here from this analyze of these games in 3D World Blitz Chess Championship 2024. So it means I chose of this game from this one. So analyze. So it means I choose of these games. So it means Blitz Chess in 3 minutes and 2 seconds increment of these games. So in this year 2025 from this one. So and also have between from this woman grandmaster in Azerbaijani is Guvar Beydulayeva. So she was born on April 23, 2003 at the age of 21. So it means she was a Azerbaijani in chess grandmasters. In 2022, she was a win of this World Girls U20 champion as well as the World Girls U18 champion in 2021. So it means she was a good players from this one. So it means focusing or thinker or it means determinations from these mathematicians in this in this analyzed brains from this one. And also have a beautiful woman grandmaster in USA is Jennifer Yu. So it means because I crush in Jennifer Yu, so it means I like her, so it means I want to be a I want fans with her, so it means very beautiful girl by woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu. So it means Jennifer Yu. So it means I miss you or maybe I love you, Jennifer. Wow, so it means I like this chess player from this one. So it is my favorite chess player. So Jennifer Yu is an American chess woman grandmaster, and also she was awarded the title Woman Grandmaster by FIDE in 2018. So Yu is two times U.S. Women's Champion in this 2019 and 2022. So she was a good players and determinations and mathematicians, and also she likes a close friends from Andrea Botes and for me Alexandra Botes and Nemo. So it means Nemo from this one friendship and close friends from this one. So so in this part of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Blitz chess. So white plays Kovar is knight f3, d5u, and also d4. So it means d4 is called Queen's opening Zukertort variations. So it means Zukertort variation from this, also variations from these games. And also knight f6 and also c4. So it means c4 is called symmetrical variation Queen's pawns opening from this one. And also e6. So it means e6 is called Queen's gambit decline from this one. So if they capture this one, so it means captured. So it means detect c4 or maybe e3. So it means e3. So it means threatening from this c4 from this one, and also b5. So it means b5. There are defense from this one. So back there is e6 move by my crush. So it means Jennifer Yu, and also knight c3. a6, so it means a6 for so it means determinations with the coming of d5, and also pawn takes d5, e takes d5, and also bishop f4. So it means bishop f4. So it means Guvar is very focusing but from this move from this bishop f4 from this one. So it means the development, and also bishop d6 with the threatening of bishop, and also e3 defense by bishop, and also bishop takes f4, pawn takes f4, and also castle. So it means ready for castle from this Jennifer Yu from this one. So it means my crush. So it means my crush is Jennifer Yu. And also bishop e2. So it means bishop e2 is ready for this castle. So it means ready for castle from this one. And also c6. So it means c6 is novelty. So novelty in this game by Yu from this one. So it is novelty. Old main line there is rook e8, or maybe knight c6. So it means knight c6 are old main lines there from this one. So back novelty is c6 there from these black pieces, and also castle bishop f5. So it means bishop f5 from these developments by you. So it is focusing from this moving by developments in this chess, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5. So it means strongest move by Guvar. So it means with the development. So it means good decisions. And also h6. So it means h6 there. And also rook c1. Knight bd7, so it means knight bd7, so it means ready from this captured from this knight captured, so it means knight takes e5, so it means knight takes e5 from you from this one. And also king h1, so it means king h1 with a forced move or first putting bad move of this computer engine, so it means does not want of this computer from this force king h1. So the best moves is one this computer is rook e1. So it means rook a1 is the best decision. So it means once of this computer engine on this one. So back there is king h1 and also knight e8. So it means knight e8. So it means development with a moving. So moves by knight c7. So it means knight c7 there. Wait, for example, in accept, why don't we capture this knight takes e5 from this one? So it means captured, and also f takes e5. So it means f takes e5 with the threatening knight from this one. So it means threatening, and also knight d7. So it means knight d7. So it means good decisions by white. I mean, sorry, by black there. So it means good decisions by black in you from this one. So back there is knight e8. So it means knight e8 and also g4. So it means g4 with the threatening of this bishop from there. So it means target. So it means development. And also bishop backwards h7 and also push f5. So it means strongest move by Guvar. So it means determination. So it means with the good decisions by Guvar in this Azerbaijan from this one. And also knight d6, so it means knight d6, so it means so knight d6 is development by you, so it means my crush, so it means development. And also rook g1 and also rook e8, so it means rook e8, so it means with the pin of bishop, so it means pin, so pin, so pin, or maybe with a threatening of sacrifice knight, or maybe knight takes knight. So it means target developments from this one. And also f4 defense by knight. So it means f4 with a protects by knight. And also knight f8. So it means knight f8. And also b3. So it means b3. So it means Guvar is focusing on this b3 move from this one. And also f6 for the threatening of this knight, and also knight d3. So it means knight d3. So it means we'll be careful of this threatening of these knights here from this ones from this development. And also h5. So it means h5 sacrifice. So it means h5 sacrifice my crush in Jennifer Yu. So it means ready from this captured pawn. And also h3 defense capture this pawn, so it means bad move from this computer. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is knight b5. So it means knight b5. If you capture this knight takes b5, or maybe it takes b5. So it means a takes b5. So it means good decisions by black in my crush Jennifer Yu. So back there is h takes g4, pawn takes, and also queen e7. So it is queen e7 are are decisions with the focusing of this move in Jennifer Yu in this one. And also bishop f3, and also knight d7 So knight d7, another bad move by crush. So it means stockfish. So bad move in this computer. So the best moves there is queen e3. So it means queen e3 with the strongest move by Jennifer Yu from this one. So back there is knight d7 and also king g2. So it means cross out move, X move. So the be so so the best moves there is rook e1. So it means branded move in the best move. Rook e1 are best move. So it means rook e1 with a threatening of queen. So it means might danger from this one. So back there is king g2, g6. So it means wrong move. So the best moves is queen e3. So it means miss move by best move from this one. So back there is g6, pawn takes g6, and also bishop takes, and also f5 with a pushes. So it means good move by Govar. So it means threatening bishop, and also bishop f7, queen d2, another bad move by Govar. So the best moves there is rook e1 are miss move. So miss move again. So back there is queen d2, and also good move queen e3. So it means good move my crush in Jennifer Yu. So it means determinations. So queen to queen from this one. So it means queen to queen. And accept queen takes, rook takes, and also knight f4. So it means knight f4. So it means move by Govar from this one. And also rook e8 battery. So it means determinations from this one, with the focusing of this one in the battery from this one. And also rook h1. So it means bad move again by Govar. So the best moves there is rook gf1. So it means rook gf1 are best move. So back there is rook h1, rook 3 e7 backwards. So it means backwards. And also king f2, knight e4 check. Oh my god. So it means low evaluation bar. So from this one, so it means double question mark. So knight e4 check is blunderatious by my crush Jennifer Yu. So it means my crush. So what happened this one? So it means double question mark. So the best moves there is king g7. So it means best move. So it means best move from this determination, from this development, from this one. So back there is knight e4 check. And also good move by bishop takes e4 Govar. So it means good move. So it means great move by Govar in this Azerbaijan. And also pawn takes bishop. And also king e3. And also knight b6. So it means knight b6 with upcoming of this check from this Jennifer Yu. So it means focusing from this one. So it means check. And also rook h2. So it means rook h2 with the coming of this battery from this rook h1 from this one. So it means battery. And also king g7. So it means king g7 with a moves by Jennifer Yu from this one. So it means development. And also rook ch1 battery. So rook ch1 without coming of this check from this one. So it means determination or developments. And also bishop g8. So it means bishop g8. So it means no more check from this rook h7. And also rook h6. So it means rook h6. So it means with idea or be careful from this one. So it means check. So for example, what happened if you rook h7 check? So it means blunders. So avoid this rook h7 check. So it means blunderatious. So back there is rook h6 and also rook f7. So it is rook f7. So it determines by Yu from this one. And also knight e6 check. So it means knight e6 check. So first puzzle. So what do you think of this realize of this nice move from this new brilliant sacrifice my crush in Jennifer Yu? So while waiting for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much. Here from this one is Rook takes e6, sacrifice, brilliant move by my crush. So it means brilliant move in Jennifer Yu, my crush. So it means sacrifice, strongest move, so it means sacrifice. And also f takes e6 rook, so it means rook, so it means one rook down from this one, so it means one rook down. So pawn takes rook, so with the threatening of this rook, so it means one rook down from this one. And also rook e7, and also rook backward 6h2, so it means rook 6h2. And also knight d5 check, so it means determinations from this one. And also knight takes, pawn takes knight, and also rook c1, so it means rook c1. So with determinations from this cover, from this development, and this realize and this focusing of this move. And also bishop destroys e6, so it means one, so it means pawn destroy pawns from this one, so it is captured from this bishop takes, so it means if you bishop takes e6, so from this pawn, so it is destroy from this pawn. So it may realize that it's focusing of this Jennifer Yu, so it means captured. And also king f4, and also king g6, that means king g6. And also rook hc2 battery, so it means rook hc2 battery, so it means realize if you're focusing with the moves from this rook c7 from this one without coming from this one. And also rook h7, so it means rook h7 with the upcoming of this one is threatening, so it means rook h4, so it means threatening of bishop and rook, so it means double. And also king g3, good move by Govar, so it means realize, so never from this move from this rook h4 from this one. And also king g5, so it means king g5, realize ready from this move from this rook h4. And also rook h2 with a rook to rook, so it means bad move from this one, bad move of this question mark. So the best moves there is rook c7, so it means if you capture these rooks takes here, and also rook takes c7, so it means threatening of this b7 or maybe b5, so it means b5 or determination of this one. So back there is rook h2, rook takes h2, rook takes h2, good move by my crush in Jennifer Yu. And also king takes rook, and also king takes pawn, so it means king takes pawns from this one. And also rook c7, so it means rook c7 with the threatening, so the threatening of this b7 of this one, so this with the ready of this captured. And also e3 with the pushes of this one, so it means push from this e3, so it means bad move. So the best moves is b5 only, so it means b5. So back there is e3 pushes, and also king g2, so it means king g2, so it means for this ready from this one from king g2 from Guvar. So it means what happened if you, so rook, so it means with the threatening of b7. And also bishop f5, sorry, so it means bishop f5. And also rook takes b7, so it means ready for capture, free pawns from this one. And also bishop e4 check, and also king f1, good move by Guvar. And also king f3, so it means king f3, if you king f3, if you're ready this push from e2 check, so it means determinations by Jennifer Yu from this one. And also king e1, f5, so it means f5, so it means decisions by U from Jennifer Yu, and also B4, and also F4. B5, so it means B5, so it means, so pushes B5 is ready for capture, so it means bad move. So the best moves there is A4. So A4 are best move. So back there is B5. Pawn takes B5, so it means good move, good move my crush. So it means good move by Jennifer Yu. And also rook takes B5, and also King G2, so it means King G2, and also rook B2 check, and also King G3, and also A4, so it means A4 with a coming of push from this A5, A6, and also A7, or maybe promotes this one. So this promotes. And also F3, so it means F3 with a coming of this one in check. So this check. Oh, so it means upcoming from check. Oh, so coming, or maybe E2. Oh, E2. So it means, so coming from this E2. So this E2 are developments. And also rook B3. So it means rook B3 without threatening of this E3 from this one, so it means ready captured. And also F2 check. And also King E2. And also King G2. So it means King G2 with the promotes of this queen. So this queen promotes. And also rook B1. So it means rook B1. So it means defense with a promotes queen. So it means defense. So it means defense. Oh, so it means rook B1. So it means rook B1. So it means last shot from this one is bishop takes B1. So it means trap rook. So it is resigned by Kovar in Azerbaijan. So why she resigns? Because if you A5 there, only move, or maybe F1 queen check, and also if you king takes pawn, or maybe rook F3 check. If you king D2, or maybe king D3 check, or maybe king C1, or maybe, and also king C2 checkmate. Oh, so it means king C2 check. So it means, so it means, so at the back. So back here. Oh, why rook B1? So it means rook B1. Oh, if your rook B1 is there. Rook B1, so it means threatening bishop. So it means threatening. Oh, still not good from this one. So not good from Guvar. So what happened if you, so it means, so best move is A5. So A5 pushes, so it means A5. So A5 there. So it means, lose by woman grandmaster Govar in Azerbaijan. So it means realize that, so it means is very dangerous from white. So it means very strong move by black my crush. So it means loss from woman grandmaster Govar in Azerbaijan. So the winner of this in my crush from beautiful woman grandmaster in USA is Jennifer Yu. Oh my god, so it means congratulations, my crush.
Wherever you
So it means
are.
keep up the good work, crush. So it means congratulations. So before that, so I hope this in part of this video. So thank you so much of this watching here. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. So thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day, keep safe, and goodbye.